Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to buy SPX6900 on CoinDCX in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the CoinDCX app or website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up and complete KYC verification to start trading. Then before buying, you need funds in your wallet. Go to Funds, Deposit, choose your preferred payment method, and add money to CoinDCX wallet. Then go to the Markets section and search for SPX6900 in the trading pair list. Once you find SPX6900, click on it and enter the amount you want to buy. Choose Market Order for instant purchase or Limit Order to set your price. Then confirm your order to complete the purchase. And finally, go to your portfolio to see your SPX6900 holdings. You're all set. And that's it for today's video. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.